Okay, gukorera na gukoresha. You see, you will see a lot of things. It's not about only what the teacher will say, it's also some some joke I want to share with you. How you can avoid some mistake and use it to know some important thing in order that you speak like a Burundian. And also, if you are interested about formation to go faster and to go well, step by step, to follow a program already made by good teachers and good teams, I think you can contact us and to look for some information. In this video, you will see the difference between gukorera and gukoresha. Now,
gukorera nkorera iki giseke ku mutwe kiraremereye. Nkorera isuku aha hantu ndaguhemba.
okay. The first example was good. I want to go first in the definition. It's like to place something on the head of another person, or gukora is like to do something for another one people. For example, is like definition is not good. I know that the definition that I gave to you is not so good, because it's not very good to have definition for everything. You need to know how to use it. And in this example that you will see again,
Gukorera nkorera iki giseke ku mutwe.
okay, she said that do for me. It's like do for me something, but it's like to do something is like to put this igiseke on his head because
Kiraremereye.
he's too heavy. It's like to do something for someone. And for example, the first example, she said she do something for another one. Yes, do that for me. It's like do that for me. It's the good definition for that. For example, the other example,
Nkorera isuku aha hantu.
like this is the same example. It's like do for me. This is like to do to clean everything for me. You understand? Gukorera isuku is like to do for gukora isuku. It's in English that it's to do clean. It's to make clean. Yes, it's to make clean. It's like to make, and it's very interesting to know that. And you saw the difference between gukorera in the first example and the second example. But it's very interesting to have experience with this word, like to use it, to know how you can use it. And yes, if you have some question, it's good to write 2 sentences with this word. It will be good, and you will see that it's only in the practice where you can go further and to see some other problems. I can't give you all the problems in Kirundi because too much problem. But I think if if you try by yourself to do something, to write something, and not to be passive and to lead and to wait for what I will say to you, you will see that Kirundi is not easy. But if you wait, you can wait until a long time. Okay.
Gukoresha abantu wakoresheje bakoze ibikorwa vyose neza. Koresha ikaramu mu kwandika kuri ugo rukaratasi.
Okay. with gukoresha, it's like gukora. I repeat, it's like to do, to make, to work. And this you can translate it is like to use. In parentheses, it's like to make work. To make work. It's like to use. Just by adding this termination sha, it's like to make work. Okay. For the first definition is like to give work to another guys. It's like gukoresha umuntu. It's like to use someone to make. It's like to make work someone. And this is to use something. In the examples,
gukoresha abantu wakoresheje bakoze ibikorwa vyose neza.
then she said that all the person that you use, they did a good work.
Ibikorwa vyose neza.
They do good work.
Koresha ikaramu mu kwandika kuri ubwo rukaratasi.
And after she said also, use this how you said in English, this pen, and to write on this paper. Then you see in this word, in this way, it's like gukoresha, it's like to use. But in this one, in this exercise, it's very important to see of the first form. I think the first form was a little bit difficult, and also there was all the small tips and things not easy to understand. Is that why I give you one exercise to do is to make sentences with this kind of word. Okay, I think it's good for today, and we will see in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us everywhere.